Court calls the case of State versus Radomski, CR 2015-012-409. Counsel may announce for the record.
Karen Close, appears from the state.
And then Chris Blackwell, Gilmore, and all, and half his
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, my bailiff has provided me with your forms of verdict. At this time, I will read those verdicts into the record. We, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of violation ARS 13-1402A. Count 2, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1402A. Count 3, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Count 4, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Count 5, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Count 6, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Count 7, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Count 8, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Count 9, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. And count 10, we, the jury, find the defendant, Lindsey Ann Radomski, not guilty of the violation of ARS 13-1403A1. Does either party wish to have the jury polled with respect to counts 1 through 10? The court, having considered the matters with respect to counts 11 through 18, with respect to count 11, the court finds the defendant not guilty. With respect to counts 12 through 18, the defendant is found not guilty by the court. That concludes the matter. This matter is adjourned. We're in recess. Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, the admonition is lifted. You'll be able to do as you please with respect to the facts in terms of speaking with your loved ones, whomever it is that you wish to speak to. You may be able to do so. As I stated earlier, the admonition is lifted. However, there is one last comment that I'd like to leave you with, and that is a thorough thanks from the court. This has been a lengthy ordeal for you. We are fully aware of that, and we realize all of the time and effort that you and your families and your businesses had to provide with respect to your commitment to this court. That's outstanding, and so I really do appreciate it, and I think the community appreciates the hard work that you put in for the last 7 weeks for this particular case, which was of very big importance, but also very difficult for those who had to make the decisions. So thank you very much, and you are free to go and live your life as you normally would. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Crystal, when you let us know these things.
All right there, everybody. You just heard not guilty on